India is known to be the country of great diversity, whether in religion, food, or dress. India is home to several hundred languages. Most Indians speak a language belonging to the families of Indo-Aryan races. India's central government has 23 constitutionally recognized official language. Hindi and English are the typically used as an official language. The state of India were organized based on common language spoken in each region. Let's study about the Indian languages. Hindi. It is the most widely spoken language in India as it is the official language. There are around 336 million speakers in the world. Bengali. It is the official language which hails from Aryan Eastern civilization. It is spoken by over 74 million speakers in the nation. Marathi. It is the most important language in the state of Goa, Maharashtra, Daman and Diu. Marathi is spoken by around 72 million speakers. Telugu. It is the third most widely spoken language in India. The language hails from Dravidian civilization. Tamil is yet another language which is spoken extensively in the country. Urdu. It is a yet another most spoken language in the country. The language is originated from Indo-Aryan Central Civilization. Gujarat. It is another and most spoken language. There are around 46 million speakers of Gujarati language in Gujarat. Odia is most spoken language in India and it stands 10th spot in the list. It is spoken in Odisha by 32 million people in India. Punjabi. It is an Indo-Aryan language. Most of the people who speak this language lives in Punjab region of Pakistan and India. Sindhi. It is an Indo-Aryan language of the historical Sindhi region in the northern part of Indian subcontinent. It is the official language of Pakistan province of Sindhi.